Today we're going to review how to import and add songs into the iPad app for Worship Inc. We're going to start by loading the app itself. This first window will show available shared playlist on the local network. There's nobody on the network with a shared playlist, and this is why this section is blank. By tapping somewhere on the screen outside this box, we'll minimize this window. Start out by pressing the top leftmost icon, which will bring up the current playlist and playlist options such as playlist position, order, and add and removing songs. We will start by pressing the plus icon. Single tapping a song title will add that song to the current playlist. You can do this with as many songs as you would like. Suppose there's a song not in the local database. Users can search for a song in the online database. Start by tapping the online at the bottom. Next, tap the search dialog box. Type in the text of the song title or artist that you would like to search for. Finally, press search on the keyboard to retrieve your results. A list will be generated. Tapping an individual song title will import that song into the current playlist, as well as download a copy to the iPad local database for future retrieval. You can select as many songs as you would like from this window. Now, when you're done, tapping outside this window will minimize it. A single tap will select a song within the playlist. Users can use the up and down arrows to change the position of the song within the playlist. Continue to adjust the playlist order to fit the worship service. Now, what if a song is not available on the local and online databases? Songs can be imported in text format by using the quick add icon at the top of the playlist. From here, text can be pasted into this window or entered manually. To demonstrate how this works, there's already a complete song with chords within the Notes app. Long press on the screen and select all. Then tap Copy. Switch back to Worship Inc. app and then tap the Paste button. See how the text is in the same format as the Notes app. Tap Done, and now the song will be imported back into our current playlist as well as added to the local database. The song just added was actually copied from Safari and pasted in the notes first. I will now review a couple of other control features within Worship Inc. To minimize the playlist, just tap on the song text to the right. To bring back the playlist and playlist controls, tap the playlist icon at the top right corner of the screen. At the top of the song, there's also capo options, which are quite useful for guitarists. Each time the plus button is pressed, a half step is added to the chords on the screen. When the minus button is pressed, one half step is subtracted from the chord notations. Using the print icon brings up a dialog for printing chord sheets to an AirPrint capable printer on the local network. The guitar icon will toggle the display of the chords within the song. When selected, the chords are shown. Tapping the button again hides the chords. This option is useful for vocalists not needing the chords displayed. When in full screen mode, users can switch between songs by swiping from right to left to move forward or down in the playlist, or swiping from left to right moves backwards or up the playlist. This is convenient while in rehearsal or on stage or even playing guitar. A simple swipe can move you forward or backwards. Another useful feature that can help improve the visibility while on stage or low light is by changing the theme. To change the theme, bring up the full playlist and select the gears icon at the bottom. Find the Use Dark theme and slide it to the On position. This changes the text to white using a black background. This is useful for when lighting is low and you want the screen to display less light. Another option to change how songs are displayed on the iPad is by double tapping on the screen to go into full screen mode. This hides the top options bar. Double tapping will restore the top menu. You can go into full screen mode by using the arrow at the top rightmost part of the screen as well. Double tapping again will restore the top menu bar. This concludes our overview of how to import and add songs into Worship Inc., as well as an introduction on how to navigate and use other features within Worship Inc. for iPad. Worship Inc. incorporates simple controls such as swiping between songs and a useful playlist menu interface to adjust and control the current playlist. I know you will enjoy using Worship Inc. for iPad as much as I have. For more information and support using the Worship Inc. iPad app, visit www.worshipinc.com. Thanks for watching.